Hello and welcome to our channel where we break down important legal updates for you. Today, we're discussing a landmark ruling by the Supreme Court of India on spousal rights during divorce proceedings. The case focuses on a significant question. Should a wife enjoy the same standard of living during divorce proceedings as she did in her matrimonial home? Let's dive into the details. In a recent judgment, the Supreme Court clarified that a wife is entitled to maintain the same life amenities during the pendency of divorce proceedings as she enjoyed in her matrimonial home. This ruling aims to ensure fairness and dignity, addressing the financial imbalance that often exists during such cases. The court highlighted that maintenance isn't just about survival, but also about ensuring that the spouse can live with dignity. In its judgment, the court emphasized that the husband, if capable, must provide for the wife's interim needs, including housing, healthcare, and other essentials. This decision underscores the importance of equality and financial stability, especially for spouses who may not have independent income sources. It's a step towards strengthening marital and legal equity. So, what does this mean for you? If you're undergoing a divorce, this judgment ensures that your rights and dignity are safeguarded during the proceedings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on important legal developments. See you in the next video.